In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively purchase clothing items on Alibaba.com. Let's dive right in and turn what could be an overwhelming process into a simple and manageable task. To kick things off, you'll want to start your journey on Alibaba.com by searching for the clothing items you're interested in. Take advantage of the search bar, which lets you tailor your search using specific keywords related to what you're looking for. Whether it's summer dresses, sportswear, or formal attire, be as specific as possible to yield the best results. Narrow down your options by utilizing the site's filter tools to sort by price, order minimums, or even supplier location. Once you have a sense of the offerings, it's important to verify the credentials of the suppliers. Look for badges indicating whether the supplier is verified, as well as how long they've been in business, which can give insight into their reliability. Also, dive into product reviews and ratings left by other buyers. This critical step helps ensure the supplier's history of quality and customer satisfaction. Reviews often detail actual experiences, providing valuable feedback about the item's quality and sizing, helping you make an informed decision before reaching out. After you've done your homework on potential suppliers and found some promising candidates, the next step is to contact them directly. This is a great opportunity to clarify any questions you might have, such as requesting size charts or discussing customization options. Clear communication is key here. Ask for detailed information regarding material, expected shipping times, and, if necessary, the possibility of seeing sample products before placing a larger order. With all that settled, you can confidently make your selection based on your gathered information. Decide on the quantity you want to purchase. Remember to check what the minimum order quantity is. Some suppliers have specific limits. Once you're ready, go ahead and place your order. Make sure all details, like sizes, colors, and customizations, are accurately reflected in the order summary before you confirm the purchase. The final step involves choosing your preferred shipping method. Alibaba offers a range of options. Whether you need something delivered quickly or prefer less expensive shipping choices, there's likely a solution for your needs. Once that is set and done, the order tracking feature will help you stay informed about your shipment status. Keep an eye on the tracking updates so you know when to expect delivery and can plan accordingly. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to purchase clothing items on Alibaba.com. By following these steps, choosing quality products and reputable suppliers becomes a breeze, making your purchase both satisfying and seamless. Happy shopping, and thanks for watching.